Okay, this is called Travessa de Porta. You kind of got some interesting shops on both sides. And we're going to walk down the street, and we're also going to give you an idea of what's behind us as well. But there's our target street right there. Travessa de Porta. So stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So Travessa de Porta. So it's kind of a little lane, and we're not too far from, we're right next to a main street. We're gonna target that real quick. I think this is like shark fin stuff right here. And let's just take a look down our street, down these two directions as well. There's some nice architecture down this way. So you see that building way down at the end on the right. And then down this way, they have Central Hotel. This is that giant green one that's just been restored. It's green-blue. And not too far away is Soulbrigada Markets and Soundcloud Square. But we're going to walk down this way. And this is called Travessa de Porta. Okay, so let's check this out. It's a little alleyway, and it kind of goes between Pont 16, which is where the ships come in, so it kind of goes in that direction. And it also goes, behind me would be Soundcloud Square, which is kind of leads up to Sao Paulo ruins if you meander up the walkable, the pedestrian friendly streets. Got some umbrellas up here. Those are all being sold for the temple. And these are just fruits and shrines. So yeah, like a shrine right there as well. Yeah, these little back alleys are kind of cool. And then, let me see, there's a shrine somewhere around here. Okay, so let's continue on. Yeah, so this is also for the shrines too, right here. So I think our shrine okay. I guess I didn't see the shrine. Oh, did I? I don't know. Did we see it? I think the street used to have a more obvious shrine, but I don't see it now. These to the left are flooding protection. So they put that up there because when we had a bad typhoon, it actually it submerged all the businesses. And then Travessa de Porta is going to end right out here. So that was our target street right there. So we're still kind of in our little labyrinth of interesting stuff. Down there, that blue building is what's that one called? Let me just walk over that real quick. It's like on Professor Street, and has a nice structure of a building. So we're just gonna take a quick glance at that real quick. Right there. And I think that building right next to it is a pawn shop, or a previous pawn shop. Which is kind of interesting because Macau still has tons of pawn shop stuff. Some of these garages right there. Some of the businesses they've owned it for so long, and they just kind of do whatever they want. So that looks like that person made a garage. Like, I mean, they get passed down from their family, so they're owned, and sometimes they own multiple ones. And they'll just use it as simple as a garage or just something quite simple. Okay, so this is actually an entirely different street altogether, and our target street was that little Porta. And let me just kind of walk across real quick. And then you'll have some other ones. Like this is a Kaisha, which is almost parallel with the other one, but it's very similar. Okay, so we're gonna head back to our target street. So that was Porta, and we kind of got an idea of just these little alleys in Macau like this. '24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.